channel once again. In this video we're going to discuss basically two things. Number one is B network contract address, and secondly is Arichain latest update. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end, and if it's the first time welcome to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. As I posted the video of how to import B network contract address yesterday, I received a lot of comments, but the one that really got me agitated was the one that says, why am I dropping my own contract address? That am I trying to loot people of their hard earnings? So what you people don't know is that contract address is the same everywhere. In fact, it is B official that drop the contract address in order to use it to track in the coin or the token. So when talking about contract address, it is quite different from sending and receiving address. This one is just used to track the tokens. Okay, so if we come to the wallet section, as you can see, I use the same contract address to track the in, and I believe that is what everyone is doing. So don't say that I'm trying to loot people of their hard earning tokens. Contract address is a general address used to track in the tokens. Okay, so for those of you that doesn't understand, or for those of you that ask how to do it and things like that, you just have to come to this place, click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen, then you are going to click on import tokens. Before you do this, make sure your app is up to date. Okay, after clicking on tokens, you are going to click on this Ethereum, select from Ethereum to Polygon. Okay, for those of you that are using Solana or others like Ethereum, you can carry out that one on MetaMask or Phantom, which is Solana wallet. Okay, so we're going to come back here, then you paste the address here. Immediately you paste the address, this particular place which is showing token symbol will be displayed B. Okay, then in this place you see the decimal. All you need to do is to just click on confirm, and boom, the wallet will be imported, and when you come back you'll see it here. Okay, so that is how to do that. If we come back here, and the next question is, for those of you that normally talk about KYC, we know that KYC is not out yet, but what are the things to do so that you will get the slot when it is time? If we come to settings here and we click on KYC here, you can see it is not available right now. It is showing next round. So what you are going to do to stand at advantage is to keep on active on this particular project. Okay, as you can see, there's daily mining, there's number of referrals, there are a lot of events to participate in, and there are a lot of tasks to perform. So it is important you do them so that you can get the KYC slot when it is time. Now let us quickly discuss the latest updates about Arichain wallet. So guys, we're talking about Arichain. As you can see, this is Arichain official, and here we're going to discuss the latest update you need to know today. The first update is about their collaboration with Astranova, which is one of the most social AI platform on Twitter, and that is not even the basically main thing. If we come down a little bit, you will see this particular news again. For those of you that are not active on their Twitter, on their Twitter group, most of their important news are released on their Twitter news. As you can see, following the news released by them, it says that to reduce the point mining of Ari wallet, the quiz session will soon be removed. That means for those of you that have been mining this airdrop, it is time for them to reduce the point by basically removing the quiz. For participating in the quiz session, we earn a lot of points daily. But since their intention is to reduce the points, they have done almost everything. They have reduced the daily earning points, and they have also reduced it again. And this time they want to remove the quiz point. Okay, so guys, as things are going on now, it seems that it will come to a point that will not be able to earn ARI points daily again. So what is important of you to do is to make sure you accumulate the points when it is time, because this is the time you have now to earn the points before everything finally comes down. I think you understand. So guys, also we scroll down a little bit, you see a lot of updates, which is their collaboration with other networks for us. So I believe this video is informative, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.